In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat without Facebook. As we dive into this process, you'll learn how to navigate Manychat if you want to bypass the traditional Facebook integration. Let's get started, shall we? First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Manychat website. If you're new to Manychat, it's a powerful platform that helps businesses automate their Facebook Messenger marketing. But don't worry, today we'll focus on how you can use it beyond Facebook. Now, once you're on the Manychat page, you'll want to look for the Sign In button. It's usually at the top right-hand corner of the homepage. Click on that to proceed. This will prompt you to sign in to your Manychat account. If you haven't created an account yet, this is the perfect time to do so by clicking on Create Account instead. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your email and password for a quick setup. Once you've successfully logged into Manychat, you'll land on the Manychat homepage. Here you should see an overview of your dashboard. If you're a first-time user, the home will also provide you with some handy tips and tutorials to get started. But for now, let's focus on getting you set up to use other channels. Next, head over to the Home tab, which is a central location for all your communication needs on Manychat. Clicking this will showcase more specific options on the left-hand sidebar. Among these options, you'll find Settings. Click on Settings to open a new array of choices. Within the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Channels option. Channels are the different communication platforms you can integrate and use within Manychat. Click on Channels and then you'll see various channel options available. Here's where it gets interesting. You can choose to add and use other communication channels beyond Facebook. Scroll through the list and select Other Channels. Manychat supports a variety of platforms such as email, SMS, and others, giving you the flexibility to diversify your communication strategies. By selecting these, you'll be able to start setting up and utilizing Manychat for these specific channels, allowing you to engage with your audience even if they're not on Facebook. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently use Manychat without relying on Facebook as your primary channel. Manychat is an incredibly versatile tool, and by branching out you can customize your engagement strategies across multiple platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in expanding your Manychat capabilities. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.